Hi, I'm Jessica Flora, here to give you a tour of my rain garden.
Back in 2020, after a heavy rain, the pond overflowed and flooded my basement twice. This led to a series of water mitigation measures, including a berm for the pond, swales, and lastly, my rain gardens. The first rain garden was the project I planned during my Master Rain Gardener class through Washtenaw County Water Resources here in Michigan. The second rain garden was initially dug to protect the house from future flooding and was planted a year later. Here you can see the pond and the second rain garden. The main purpose of a rain garden is to capture and filter pollutants from impervious surfaces, keeping the nitrogen and phosphorus in the garden rather than allowing them to run off into waterways. Rain gardens help reduce harmful algae blooms in our rivers and lakes. This is my first rain garden, which collects water from the downspout of my roof. In May, the Canada anemone bloom with an abundance of white flowers. Tucked in here is early meadow rue. Native stonecrop also flowers, and the wild strawberries produce fruit. In June, the bees swarm to the turtlehead, and the blue flag iris located all around the pop-up valve blooms. In July, the gardens peak with the presence of rose mallow, bee balm, rattlesnake plant and culver root, Joe pie, and cup plant. August brings purple flowers from the blue lobelia, and yellow blooms on evening primrose. The Indian grass now produces golden seed heads. In fall, the leaves of the spikenard bush will turn beautiful fall colors and produce edible berries. Rain gardens don't need to be expensive or high maintenance. If you choose plants that are native to your climate, they are more resilient. Once established, they can survive mostly on natural rainfall and are generally able to survive periods of heat and drought. My second rain garden was started solely on plants that I sowed over the winter from seeds I collected or obtained from my local seed community. Get involved locally and support your native plants and pollinators. Thank you.